In fact, let me make this a little more uncomfortable for you. Ready? If you go to Thomas Jefferson's Monticello, right? Everyone knows Monticello. That's, of course, where Thomas Jefferson's house is. There's a part of Monticello that has a listing of the names of all the slaves. You're going to see a very weird pattern that happens. A lot of the women that were born were named Mary. A lot of the men that were there are named John. Now, everyone for a moment, imagine that you've had a child. Pick a name for your child. Everyone ready? You pick a name for your child. Let me hear the name of your child. Let me hear a name. What do you have?
Name for a child?
Name for a child.
Richard.
Richard. Sounds solid. Cool. No answer? Huh? Katie. Benjamin. Clarice.
That's a good one.
Zara. So no one's picking Mary or John, correct? So this is the uncomfortableness of it. The reason why many slaves at Monticello were named Mary or John was because a Mary had died. So therefore, we didn't want to learn another name. Well, I want to name my child Benjamin. I want to name my child Katie. Well, you couldn't, because your choices were either Mary or John. Well, I want to name my child Katie. Well, that's fine. Katie doesn't live here. I sell Katie. Mary can live here. What's the name of your child? It completely changes the whole dialogue of what you're having in your mind. Something just as simple as to be able to name your child.